In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Music on your iPhone. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, we'll go through this step by step. First, let's open the Music app. This is the central hub for all your music needs on your iPhone. Once you've opened the app, you might see a prompt asking you to continue or start listening. Go ahead and tap it. This step sets the stage for accessing your music library and streaming options. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Apple account. This is crucial because it links your music preferences and purchases to your personal account. If you haven't already subscribed to Apple Music, you'll see on-screen prompts guiding you through the subscription process. Follow these prompts carefully to start enjoying streaming music. Apple Music offers a vast library, so subscribing gives you access to millions of songs. But what if you don't see the subscription prompt? Don't worry, here's an alternative route. Open your Settings app. Inside Settings, look for Apps and tap on it. From there, find and tap on Music. This section allows you to manage how your music app interacts with your Apple account. Tap Join Apple Music and follow the prompts to subscribe. This ensures you don't miss out on the subscription option. Now, let's address a common issue. What if the music app is missing entirely? It's possible you accidentally removed it, but there's an easy fix. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Apple Music and search. When you find it, tap Get or the Download button to reinstall it. Once reinstalled, you can open the app and continue with the previous steps. If Apple Music still isn't working after all this, we have a few more troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that you're signed in with the correct Apple account. It's important because your subscription is linked to this account. Verify that your Apple Music subscription is active. Sometimes subscriptions can lapse without you realizing it. After that, try restarting your iPhone. This can resolve many small glitches and refresh the system. Simply hold down the power button and slide to power off. Once off, turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Finally, make sure your iOS is up to date. An outdated iOS might have compatibility issues with the latest version of Apple Music. To update, go to Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. Install any available updates. This step ensures that your iPhone is running smoothly and supports all app functionalities. By following these steps, you should now have Apple Music enabled on your iPhone. Remember, having an active subscription offers you unlimited access to a vast library of music, and ensuring everything is updated and correctly set up will prevent future issues. Thank you for watching and enjoy your music streaming experience.